Here are 10 ways to gain financial freedom before the age of 35 to 1. Set clear financial goals. Define specific, achievable financial goals such as saving a certain amount for retirement, paying off debts, or buying a home. Having clear goals will help guide your financial decisions. 2. Create and stick to a budget. Develop a budget that outlines your income, expenses, and savings goals. Track your spending and prioritize essential expenses while cutting back on non-essential ones to save more money. 3. Invest early and consistently. Start investing as early as possible to benefit from compound interest. Consider investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds to grow your wealth over time. 4. Maximize income potential. Look for opportunities to increase your income through career advancement, side hustles, or entrepreneurship. Invest in your education and skills to qualify for higher-paying jobs or start a business. 5. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation by living below your means, even as your income grows. Save and invest the difference between your income and expenses to build wealth over time. 6. Eliminate high-interest debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card balances or personal loans. Focus on debt with the highest interest rates first while making minimum payments on other debts. 7. Build multiple streams of income. Diversify your income sources by creating multiple streams of income, such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, freelance work, or passive income streams like affiliate marketing or royalties. 8. Save and invest for retirement. Take advantage of retirement savings. Accounts such as 401ks, IRA letters, or Roth IRA letters to save for retirement. Contribute consistently and take advantage of employer matching contributions if available. 9. Educate yourself about personal finance. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance topics such as investing, taxes, budgeting, and retirement planning. Stay informed about financial trends and strategies to make informed decisions. 10. Focus on long-term wealth building. Adopt a long-term mindset when it comes to building wealth. Be patient and disciplined in your financial habits, and avoid chasing short-term gains or taking unnecessary risks. By implementing these strategies and staying committed to your financial goals, you can achieve financial freedom and secure your financial future before the age of 35. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the like and share button. Stay healthy and happy.